Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends shaping the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about one of the most significant moves in the corporate Bitcoin space. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, has just purchased 6,556 BTC for a whopping $555.8 million after Bitcoin broke through its monthly high of $87,400. That's right, folks. This is a staggering $8.5 million per Bitcoin, one of the most expensive acquisitions we've seen in recent times. And it's not just any ordinary investor. Strategy is the largest corporate Bitcoin holder in the world, with a total value of over $36 billion. To put that into perspective, if you were to invest $10 in Bitcoin back in 2010, you'd be looking at a return of around $4 million today. Now, let's talk about how Strategy managed to pull off this purchase. According to their regulatory filing, they used proceeds from the common ATM and SDRK ATM offerings, essentially selling shares directly on the market to raise capital. That's right, folks. These two ATMs are like a perpetual motion machine for companies like Strategy looking to grow their Bitcoin stash. But what makes this move so interesting is that it comes at a time when Bitcoin has been struggling to regain its previous highs. Just last week, Strategy bought 3,459 BTC for $285.8 million. And while that was an impressive show of support, it didn't quite help the market recover from its slump. In fact, just yesterday, Bitcoin broke through its monthly high, reaching $87,638. And with a gain of over 3.5%, it's clear that this move has sent shockwaves throughout the crypto community. Now, some might say Strategy is playing a game of catch-up, but I think there's more to it than that. With their total BTC holdings now valued at an impressive $36.47 billion, they're essentially taking control of the narrative on Bitcoin's price movements. Of course, this comes with its own set of risks. After all, if Strategy fails to secure financing either through equity or debt, they might consider selling some of those coveted Bitcoins to pay off their financial obligations. But one thing is for sure, with $8 billion in debt and $35 million in annual interest payments, it's clear that Bitcoin has become a lifeline for companies like this. So what does this mean for the market? Well, with Strategy on board, it's likely that we'll see even more institutional players jumping into the fray. And if they're willing to spend upwards of $8 million per Bitcoin, then who's to say? That's all for now from Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay ahead of the curve by following us and joining our community of like-minded individuals passionate about cryptocurrency and its endless possibilities. We'll catch you in the next video.